Okay, we are finding exponential equations. So first of all, you kind of have to have a skeleton equation, and the skeleton equation is y is equal to a times b to the x. Okay, and that first problem, or number 17, I think, they give you the points 0, 3, and 227. So you always use the 0, 3 first, and you let this be your x and this be your y. So you just go through here and you say, well, 3 is equal to a times b to the 0 power. Well, anything to the 0 power is 1, so then we learned that a has to be 3. Important for us to figure that out, because they ask us to write the exponential equation. So then I go y is equal to 3 times b to the x, because that was our generic form. So now I have it like this. Now I'm going to use these 2 points, and then I could solve for b. So this is your x, this is your y. So I'm going to say 27 is equal to 3 times b squared. And I'm just going to solve for b. So I divide both sides by 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. And 3's cancel. So b squared is equal to 9. So b is 3. Normally it would be plus or minus 3, but in these exponential equations we're going to say that b has to be positive. So we know b is 3, so my final answer would be y is equal to a, which is 3, times b, which is 3, to the x power. Order of operations says you cannot just say that's y is equal to 9 to the x, because you have to do this first. Alright, so that was the first problem. The second problem that they gave us was we're going to still use our same y is equal to a times b to the x, but they gave us a different set of points, and they said 0, 81, and 1/2, 9. So when you do this, you're going to do it the same way as you did the other one. You let this is x, this is y, and you just substitute back in. So you say 81 is equal to a times b to the 0 power. Or anything to the 0 power is 1, so then I actually learned that a has to be 81. That's why they always give you the 0, 1, because that makes it easy to figure out what a is. So then you have y is equal to 81 times b to the x. Now I'm going to let x be 1/2 and y be 9. So 9 is equal to 81 times b to the 1/2. I'm trying to solve for b, so I'll divide both sides by 81. And so this would be reduced to be 1/9 is equal to b to the 1/2. To get rid of the 1/2, you just square both sides. So this would be 1 over 81 is equal to b. And I know that these look weird because they're related, but that's okay. So we say y is equal to a, which is 81, times b, which is 1 over 81, to the x power. And that would be our answer. Ta-da!